Don't run on the jetty, or things might get a bit messy. If you're on the ship and you run, then you'll probably end up falling on your bum. Breaking the rules, oh please don't break the rules. Breaking the rules, oh please don't break the rules. Don't take food down the stairs, or the staff will make it theirs. Don't wear wet clothes on the ship, or you might just end up having a dip. Breaking the rules, oh please don't break the rules. Breaking the rules, oh please don't break the rules. Keep your outside shoes off the ship, or else the staff will flip. Put your shoes back on the rack and go and get your slippers back. Breaking the rules, oh please don't break the rules. Breaking the rules, oh please don't break the rules. Please put all the footballs away when you finish play. Put your kit back on the hook, 'cause it's really frustrating when you have to look. Breaking the rules, oh please don't break the rules. Breaking the rules, oh please don't break the rules. When you wake up in your bed, make sure you don't bang your head. The ceilings downstairs are really low. Watch out for a knockout blow. Breaking the rules, oh please don't break the rules. Breaking the rules, oh please don't break the rules. Don't put your fingers in the doors, because they'll be really sore. Please look out for the boundaries, the car park gates, the hedges and the sea. Breaking the rules, oh please don't break the rules.